What if I told you that you could build a full-stack portfolio website using ChatGPT without touching a single line of code? That's exactly what I'm about to prove. No third-party AI tools, no shortcuts, just you and ChatGPT. First, let's visit the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the site, don't do anything else. Simply enter this prompt. Create a responsive navigation bar with a dark background, including home, about, project, contact, and footer sections using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Ensure it is fully responsive across all devices. Then, press enter. ChatGPT will generate the entire code for us. As you can see, it has provided quite a lot of code. However, it hasn't given us exactly what we asked for. We only requested the navigation bar, but ChatGPT included additional sections like home, about, and more. Let's clarify the prompt to make it more specific. Type this message. I told you to create just the navigation bar, but you provided code for all sections. I don't need the code for all sections. Now please provide only the navigation bar code again. Press enter again. Perfect. This time ChatGPT has generated the code exactly as requested. Now, copy all the code and open Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Create 3 new files. index.html style. .css app.js paste the copied code into the index.html file. Then, open Live Server to preview the result. As you can see, the navigation bar looks great. To make the code more maintainable, copy all the CSS from index.html and paste it into the style.css file. Then, in the head section, link the style.css file so they're properly connected. Next, scroll to the bottom of the index.html file where the JavaScript code is located. Copy it and paste it into the app.js file. Create one more file named responsive.css. Go back to the CSS section where the media queries are defined, copy them, and paste them into responsive.css. In index.html, clear the inline script content at the bottom and instead link the app.js file there. Also, in the head section, link the responsive.css file. Now, scroll to the logo area where there's an H1 tag. Replace the text with portfolio. Next, return to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Increase the font size of the navigation items. Example, home, about, etc. And remove text decoration universally. Press enter. Preview the result. You'll notice the font size has increased and the underlined text decoration has been removed. Perfect. Paste this updated CSS into VS Code and preview the site. Everything should look clean and properly styled. At the top, where the logo is located, you can also replace the text with an image logo of your choice. For example, I've added a heart logo, and it looks beautiful. If you want to further adjust the navigation item font size, set it to 1.3 rem for a balanced look. Now, let's move on to creating the home section. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. The navigation bar is complete. Exclude it and other sections. Create only the home section code with a modern, responsive UI and gradient background. Include a title like Devin John, full stack developer, a paragraph, 2 horizontally aligned buttons, and a right-aligned image that emphasizes interactive design. Press enter. ChatGPT will generate the home section code. Copy the HTML for the home section and paste it into VS Code, wrapping it below the header to keep everything well structured. Then, copy the CSS provided by ChatGPT and paste it into style.css. Locate the root and universal selectors in the CSS, copy them, and paste them at the very top of your CSS file so that all variables are defined first. If there's already a root section, simply merge them to keep everything organized. Finally, at the top of the CSS, if you see multiple background definitions, remove the extra one so only the intended gradient background remains. Let's preview the homepage. Wow, it looks great. You can also add your own image here to personalize it even more. It's looking beautiful. Next, go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. The home section is complete. Exclude it and other sections. Provide only the About section HTML and CSS with a modern, responsive, and attractive UI design. Press enter. ChatGPT will process your request and generate the code. Once you receive the code, copy only the HTML for the About section and place it below the home section in your HTML file. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the CSS code, and paste it at the very bottom of your style.css file in VS Code. Now, preview the result. Wow, the About section looks even better than the Home section. You can also add an image here to make it more visually appealing. Next, in VS Code, wrap the About section properly for better structure. Then, return to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. The About section is complete. Exclude it and other sections. Develop only the project section code using HTML and CSS, focusing on a modern, responsive, and visually appealing UI design with interactive elements. Press Enter. ChatGPT will generate another beautiful section for you. After it's done processing, copy the HTML for the project section and add it to your file. Then, copy the CSS code and paste it into the style.css file in VS Code. Our project section is now complete. Let's preview the page. Now, scroll down and preview the featured project section. Wow, this section looks stunning. You can see these project images along with the View Project buttons. Next, go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Project section is complete. Exclude others. Provide HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the contact section with a sleek, responsive UI, including name, email, phone, and message fields, plus a send button. Ensure a professional and visually appealing design. Press Enter. ChatGPT will process your request and generate the code step by step. Once the code appears, copy the HTML for the contact section and open VS Code. Wrap the project section properly, then paste the contact section code right below it. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy all the CSS it provided, and paste it at the very bottom of your style.css file in VS Code. Next, visit ChatGPT again to get the JavaScript code. Copy the provided JS and paste it into your app.js file in VS Code. Let's preview the contact section. Wow, it looks beautiful. You can fill in your name, email, phone number, and message. When you click the Send Message button, it displays a Message Sent Successfully confirmation. Perfect. Now let's move on to the final part, the footer section. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Project and other sections are complete. Exclude them. Provide HTML and CSS for only the footer section with a sleek, responsive, and professional UI design, including social media links. Ensure a visually appealing layout. Press Enter. ChatGPT will start generating the code step by step. Wait for it to complete. Once it's done, copy the HTML code for the footer and open VS Code. Wrap the contact section neatly, then paste the footer section code right below it. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy all the CSS code for the footer, and paste it at the bottom of your style.css file. Now, let's preview everything. Scroll down, and there it is. Our footer section looks amazing. It includes navigation items and social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And that's it. This completes our project, a fully functional, modern portfolio website built entirely from scratch using only ChatGPT. You can always enhance this further by adding animations, effects, or new sections. So, that's the end of our video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos where we'll build even more exciting projects using ChatGPT. Click on the screen video to learn how to build a website with a single prompt.